what are you doing? What are you doing down there? Huh? Yeah, oh, yeah, you're gonna be all crazy. Yeah, you're gonna be all crazy. Sorry. Hi! Hi! Oh, good girl, yeah. Are you gonna talk? Are you gonna talk? What are you doing? What are you doing? No, you don't like to get picked up under the covers. No.
Alright. Nope, 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 nope. Don't bite my fingers. Go away.
Okay, here we go. No. Picking you up. Whoops. Not a very graceful landing. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Good girl. Uh-huh. Baby. Baby. Baby.
Oh, she's doing that stare thing.
Mm-hmm. Something. What do you see? Hmm?
Oh my god.
Ah! Come here. Come on. Hi! Hi! Are you gonna get all crazy? Are you gonna get all crazy? Yeah? Yeah?
Stare.
Good girl. I don't have anything to feed you, though. Nope, nothing to feed you. Oh.
I fucking hate the covers. Ah.
Hmm. What are you doing?
Hey. Quit. Come here.
Squish. Baby. Hi. Oh, hi. Good girl. Yeah. Baby. Baby.
Stare. Oh my god.
Just the hair on her face. Baby. Baby.
Quit it. Get out of here. No.
Use your hand.
I know.
You're talking. Yeah, you're talking. Uh-huh. Hi. Hi. Good girl. Hi. How do you have...
No, get out of here. Control your squab.
I think you need to just hide your hand behind
the sheet. Oh my gosh.
And then she will approve more.
I know, but I have to adjust the camera.
Oh, that's fine.
Get out of here. Can you put her back farther?
Sure. No. What are you doing? What are you doing under there, huh? Huh? Ah!
We've got to get her to say baby.
She doesn't like to say it much except on her own. She might not be doing it because it's bright, though.
I know.
Baby. Baby. Ah.
Oh, no, no. Gentle. There.
Can you do your little face thing? Rub your beak. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah.
There she goes.
Good girl. Ah!
I know.
I see you.
Shoo. Shoo.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, of course. We're at the end of the video.
Is it over?
Not yet.